Alright, I want to demonstrate how the updated Bluetooth dryer circuits are working. Here's one, here's two. This is the part that connects to the dryer vent here, you can see. I was asked to add an LED level indicator. Can't really make it out on my crappy little camera on my computer, but there's 8 individual bars here that indicate the pressure level. So what I want to show is that here, as I remove the hose from the vent, you can see that the air pressure level starts diminishing until it just, there's no air pressure at all, so it turns off. It's quite sensitive, so it quickly maxes out because I've tuned it so that it can be it can detect clogs, so it needs to be quite sensitive. Okay, the other part is over here, and this is the, what is it? This is the fridge unit, and on it, what I've done is I've added this blue LED, which basically it turns on whenever there's any air pressure at all. So let's suppose there's no air pressure at all. You can see that that blue light turns off. And that would be the same as if your laundry or your dryer wasn't even turned on at all. Let me simulate that right now, actually. So it can be used as a way to tell if the dryer has stopped spinning, and then you can go get your dryer, your clothes. Okay, but also this red LED starts flashing when there's a clog, right? And what I've done is I've also added this dial just for testing purposes so that we can tune this board so that we can set the level of clog, or set the level at which this LED will start flashing. So if I wanted to issue a warning when it's like just slightly clogged, then I would just turn this down a little bit. And now watch, as I pull this away just a little bit, that thing will start flashing. But if I want it to be less sensitive, so essentially when there's it has to be really clogged, so then I would dial this down even more. And now when I remove this, dial that down even more. When I remove this, I have to take it out a substantial way for the LED to start flashing. Turn it down all the way. So yeah, now basically it has to be removed altogether for it to start flashing. Finally, you'll notice that if there's absolutely no air, the red LED, the warning LED, isn't flashing, it just turns straight red. And that indicates again that there's no air pressure detected at all. And I did that because I just didn't want it flashing all the time, but I can easily switch it back to be flashing if that's what you prefer. Because otherwise it would be issuing a very prominent warning every time the dryer stopped. So I just had it turn red. I could also have it be turned off. It's up to you.